sklearn, preprocessing, scale. Description. The scale function in scikit-learn's preprocessing module is a utility that standardizes features by centering them at 0 and scaling them to unit variance. This process is often referred to as Z-score normalization. Standardization is crucial in many machine learning algorithms as it can improve performance and stability, especially when features have different scales or units. Inputs. X a NumPy array or pandas data frame containing the data to be scaled. Each column represents a feature. Axis optional, the axis along which to calculate the mean and standard deviation. 0 calculate statistics for each feature across all samples. 1 calculate statistics for each sample across all features. Outputs. X scaled the scaled array, where each feature has a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. The original shape of the input array is preserved. Steps. Calculate the mean of each feature or sample depending on the specified axis. Calculate the standard deviation of each feature or sample depending on the specified axis. For each feature or sample, subtract the mean and then divide by the standard deviation. Metrics. Mean, the average value of each feature or sample after scaling. It should be close to 0. Standard deviation, the spread of values for each feature or sample after scaling. It should be close to 1. Visualization plots. Histograms plot histograms of each feature before and after scaling to visually observe the shift in distribution and the reduction of variance. Fine-tune parameters. Axis. This parameter controls the direction of standardization. 0 standardize features, making each feature have a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. 1 standardize samples, making each sample have a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. Uncertainty methods. None. The scale function itself does not directly provide uncertainty estimates. If needed, uncertainty analysis could be performed separately using other methods like bootstrapping or Bayesian approaches. Challenges and fixes. Challenge 1. Outliers. Extreme values in the data can significantly impact the calculation of mean and standard deviation, potentially leading to inaccurate scaling. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 1. A dataset containing the heights of students, where one student is significantly taller than the rest due to a measurement error. This outlier could skew the mean and standard deviation, leading to incorrect scaling for the other students. Fixes to challenge 1. Robust scaling. Consider using robust scaling methods like sklearn, preprocessing, robust scaler that are less affected by outliers. Outlier detection and removal. Identify and remove outliers before scaling. But be cautious as removing data can lead to information loss. Challenge 2. Data with 0 variance. Features with 0 variance, all values are the same, cannot be scaled using the scale function. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 2. A dataset containing information about a specific type of car. The make feature has the same value for all cars, resulting in 0 variance. Fixes to challenge 2. Feature selection. Remove constant features before scaling. Feature encoding. Encode constant features using a one-hot encoding scheme to create binary features.